Good morning, students. Welcome to Sri Chaitanya Virtual Classroom. In last classes, we discussed intensity of electric field due to different charged bodies like charged rod, charged ring, charged disc, and so on. Today's topic is electric dipole. Electric dipole. The name itself tells you electric means charge. Dipole, di means two. Dipoles, different poles means different polarities. Two charges of different polarities separated by certain distance. Right? See, what is the definition of electric dipole? It is a system of two equal and unlike charges separated by small distance. System of two equal and unlike charges separated by a small distance is known as electric dipole. Right? This is the definition. See, there are two charges. This is one charge. This is another charge. Two charges. This is another charge. This charge is minus q. This charge is plus q. If you see this, its magnitude is q. Its magnitude is q. Two equal, that is the meaning, equal magnitude. And they are separated by, see here, there is a separation. They are separated by a small distance, right? Actually, on the board we are showing a lot of distance, but the distance is very small. Separated by a small distance. See, this is not a string, this is not a rod, nothing. It is just a distance between those two charges. Distance between those two charges. This is center. And from here to here, the distance between the two charges is taken as 2a. The distance between these two charges taken as 2a. And O is the center of the dipole. Then from here to here, from each charge to the center, A and A. From the charge to the center of the dipole, distance is A. From this charge to this charge, distance is 2A, right? This configuration, you call it as a electric dipole. See here, it is a system, two charge system. How those two charges are? Equal, means equal in magnitude. See here, its magnitude is Q, its magnitude is Q, right? And unlike charges, when we say unlike, polarities are different. This is negative and this is positive. So unlike charges, separated by certain distance. This is called a electric dipole, right? Then in these, Q magnitude of either charge, any one of the charge, and 2A distance between charges, it is called length of the dipole or dipole length. So in coming discussion, wherever this 2A comes, length of the dipole. So length of the dipole, wherever it comes, it is not simply A, it is 2A, right? Next, see this length of the dipole is a vector. Length of dipole is a vector. It is a vector. Once it is a vector, what is its direction? See, if you represent it like a vector, like this, its direction is from minus charge to plus charge. Its direction is from minus charge to plus charge. Length of the dipole is a vector whose direction is from minus to plus along this, in this direction. And there is a term called dipole moment. Dipole moment. Here it is electric dipole, exactly to say electric dipole moment. What is dipole moment? There is a definition. It is the product of magnitude of either charge, any one of the charge, and dipole length. Dipole length is known as dipole moment. The product of magnitude of either charge and dipole length or length of the dipole, anything you can take, is known as dipole moment. See, what is the formula? It is represented with P. Dipole moment represented with small p. P, electric dipole moment. What we said, it is the product of magnitude of either charge Q into length of the dipole 2a, Q into 2a. This is the formula of dipole moment. In this, if this 2a is a vector and Q is a scalar, then P is also a vector. It is a vector. Once it is a vector, what is its direction? Its direction, see, this is the direction, P direction, right? From where to where? Direction minus Q to plus Q. This is the direction. Always remember, when you are dealing problems with dipole, wherever you need to take the direction of the dipole moment, it is from minus to plus, like this, along the dipole, along the length of the dipole, as it is product of 2a, in what direction that 2a is present, in the same direction that P also. So direction is from minus Q to plus Q, right? And what is its unit? What is its unit? From this formula, SI unit, Q into 2a. Q, coulomb. 2a, meter. Coulomb meter is the unit. Coulomb meter is the unit of dipole moment. Exactly to say electric dipole moment. Come on, note down. Or take a screenshot. Next. See, what is the example for this? In our daily life, is there any example of this electric dipole? One simple example. So many are there. In chemistry, we have some molecules. For example, HCl. HCl molecule. It is a combination of hydrogen atom and chlorine atom with a covalent bond between them. So, if you see that bonding, if this is hydrogen and this is chlorine, these electrons, sharing of electron, that negative center is somewhat nearer to the chlorine. Negative center, this is whatever the electron sharing, those electrons are nearer to chlorine. So generally what you write, Cl minus H plus. So it has become positive charge, it has become negative charge. So positive charge and negative charge separated by certain distance. The distance is in angstrom units. So this is one dipole. It behaves like a electric dipole. Here positive hydrogen ion and negative chlorine ion separated by certain distance. It behaves like a dipole. Once it behaves like a dipole, it shows some electric properties. You might have discussed in your chemistry, right? So this is one example. Wherever if you are asked to write one example, this is so many examples are there. In coming class we discuss.